If you're fortunate enough to have the Hadley SmartValve installed on your truck, you'll want to understand all that it can do for you as the driver. Hi, I'm Kurt Weaver, Engineering Field Technician at Hadley, where we created one of the most advanced control systems for raising and lowering your truck suspension. In this short video, we're going to demonstrate how the SmartValve is designed to help you, the driver, save your back, save time, and be safer every time you perform a drop and hook. We'll also learn how to use a SmartValve to improve traction in slippery or uneven road conditions.